At EMT, we're running a series of Visionaries events. These are events where we bring a collection of customers and partners together to really listen to what's going on in the marketplace, to listen to our customers, to help us share with them what we're doing from a business perspective, a technology, an innovation perspective, and it's just a great way to informally connect with people, learn, share, develop opportunities, and this one in particular has just been a fantastic couple of days with our customers and partners.
Great experience. I'm just blown away by your culture. You look at things as you walk through a plant, so I'm used to that. And when I do that today through your plant, it screamed, folks are happy. The fact that you make things from the ground up, I mean, you're taking raw materials at one door and your finished product out the other door. To me, that was very impressive, and it just screams quality.
Oh boy. So at this Visionaries event, we like to mix a little fun with a little learning and a little bit of work. So we're here in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, where we've shared a nice meal with our customers. We've had an opportunity to network and build on what we've discussed over the past couple days and sort of debrief that and share. And it's just been a great opportunity to let loose a little bit and really connect with people in an informal and casual way.
Yeah!
And that's really part of the experience that we bring with Visionaries.
First class all the way. From the tour, getting to know your team, watching your team, work their art, right? You can tell they're proud of what they do. Today at the facility, all the way, to the fish boil, it just, you guys nailed it. I would give you a 10 out of 10, and I would tell anybody that has the opportunity to come and tour your facility to do so. I'm glad to be a partner with EMT.
With the EMT Visionary Series, this is something that we look to schedule again and again and again. We view the opportunity to connect with customers never really stops. It's always about continuing to connect, continuing to learn, continuing to innovate, continuing to share what we're doing from an innovation and a business perspective. And so we look forward to not just having a great opportunity once here in the summer in Wisconsin, but to continue this into the fall and into next year, because we really are a listening organization, a learning organization, and the only way we can do that is to bring people to the facility and connect with them and have an opportunity to listen and help them guide us in terms of where we need to go in the future.